Let's celebrate Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos, kids.
Welcome back to Camila's Playhouse. And in this video, we're gonna make a spooky twist of a bouquet of flowers. So we're gonna need some flowers, a plastic skull if you have one, some lights over here, a glass container or a plastic container if you could see through it. Let's jump right into it. So first we're gonna get some foam wrapped in gauze and put it in like this. And we're gonna take the top part out and make it look spooky. Don't put it out too long. Now guys, it's just looking nice. Just like this. And let's add some lights in. Next we're gonna get some plastic flowers. Put them in. Just like this. And make sure to put them around. And some in the middle. There we go. We're gonna add a few more flowers. Okay, let's add this next flower. Just a few more left, guys. There. And there. Wait, that's not the last one. This one was hiding behind here. Here you go. This is the one. No, we'll just no. Okay, now we're gonna add it. Right over here. Wow, that looks great. Now it's time to make it look spooky. We're doing so good that we got a dance party. Some good dance moves. They were great, actually. Now let's get back to crafting. Now let's do the final spooky steps. We're gonna add some hands and the skeleton head. Okay. We're gonna add some hand. We're gonna add a hand on each side. This one's really likes to move. Okay, now we got him in. And now it's time to add the skull in the middle or the skeleton head. You can call it whichever you want. And now we're done. And if you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe too.